If you're opening a business in Fayetteville, there's an important step you may not know about, but skipping it could cost you time and money. Before you move into an existing building, the city requires a review to make sure the space meets existing building codes. It's called a change of occupancy classification or a change of use, and it's required by state law. Here's what business owners need to know before they sign on the dotted line.
So these are occupancy classifications assigned to a business on what a business does. This has nothing to do with zoning classifications or anything. It's a whole separate animal. And to make sure that the key life safety elements are in place or need to be upgraded.
The occupancy classification is a list of categories of what you use the space for. For example, if you're changing from a bank to an insurance agency, it falls within the same group. So this could be an example of the first kind of review, a change of use, as long as no new construction is required and other requirements are met.
Generally speaking, nothing really has to happen. Fire marshals will do their review and inspection. Our stuff is strictly administrative. But the most common thing we see on a change of use, now these are no construction applications. Basically, they've got a building, it's empty, I'm gonna move in, I'm not gonna change anything. So move-in still requires a review.
But if an insurance agency were to change to a retail space or a restaurant, these are in different classification categories, so you'll need the second version of review, which is a change of occupancy classification. And when the use changes, state law may require new additions to keep up with how many people the code expects you to have.
With the new business going in there, it changes the occupant load, how many people are being there. Now, probably the most common one we catch is you need a new bathroom. And of course, if those bathrooms aren't accessible, now you have to build an accessible bathroom. So it can get kind of expensive, and it's required by law, by code to do this first.
Some find out too late that their current classification doesn't allow the use, or that costly upgrades like fire alarms and sprinklers are required before opening.
Do the administrative stuff first. Make sure it's legal before you sign a lease. I've been in many talks with people where a tenant was paying rent on a business they were unable to use.
To help business owners navigate the process, the city has created a step-by-step guidance plan. On the City of Fayetteville's Permits and Inspections website, business owners can find a section called Businesses Moving Into an Existing Building, including a consumer guide and sample plans. City officials emphasize that these reviews aren't meant to slow businesses down. They're designed to protect customers, employees, and the business owners themselves. Completing the review early can help avoid unexpected costs and get your business open that much quicker. For more information, visit FayetteVilleNC.gov/permits. With your FayTV News, I'm John Salling.